When it comes to wellness, we all know a good night's rest is essential. But let's be real. Your brain doesn't always turn off just because the lights do.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickle. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickle. It took him 45 minutes to text me back. If I go to bed right now, I can get 5 hours of sleep. I think my clothes are still in the dryer. I do have fat knuckles. It's a dog and a monkey. What an unlikely friendship. Now I want a monkey. She sells seashells by, what is this thread count? Should I cut my bangs again?
So when life keeps you up at night, we've got you covered. Winding down has never been easier when you start with Super Magnesium. It'll help leave the stressors of the day behind for a better tomorrow. Next up, Deep Night Essence, our melatonin-free supplement that will help promote more restful sleep and allow you to wake up the next day without feeling drowsy. And when it's time to hit the pillow again, use the Wake Up Light Sunset feature through your Aroma Connect app to lull you to dreamland in a more natural way. Combined with the diffusion of your favorite relaxing aroma, your body can rest assured it's going to get the rest it deserves. Then rise and shine with the natural sunrise feature, allowing you to wake the way nature intended, so you can supercharge your day the natural way. Introducing Nature's Way to a restful night's sleep.